Hi, I am Dr. Dina Marie Carr, and I am passionate about helping God's people succeed financially. You know, growing up in church, being the daughter of a minister, gave me a chance to see the true potential of people. And it gave me a desire to help them reach that God-given potential in every area of their lives, including their finances. But you know, it also gave me a chance to see the downside. I had a chance to see what happens to their dreams when they can't reach that potential. What happens to their families and what happens to their marriages. And you know what? It's urgent for me to stop that cycle, even prevent that cycle. I invite you to come with me on a journey to learn finances according to the Word of God as you've never learned it before. Learn how to make your finances resilient, that is built on a solid foundation. Learn how to succeed in any financial environment. Learn how to build portfolios and businesses and how to leave an inheritance to your children and a legacy in the earth realm. Yes, positively impacting the world for good for generations to come.